you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I truly appreciate it. I am extra excited because we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel. I feel like I haven't opened a brand new one in a little bit. And this is a jewelry subscription. I'm super excited to see what's inside. So this is a silver and gold jewelry subscription box. And it comes in the most adorable packaging ever. Look at this, it's like Paris. The Eiffel Tower, and they like personalized it and put a little kitty sticker right there. So this is what the box looks like. Super cute. So this is a monthly jewelry subscription. Each month you get 2 to 3 pieces, and it is just a variety of items, all different types of jewelry. They actually started as an Etsy store and still have an Etsy store and are based out of Michigan, so that I think that's really cool. I always love a Midwest company just because that's where my roots are from. So on their website you can not only subscribe to this box, but you can also shop some items. So this costs $29 per month. If you purchase 3, 6, 12 months, whatever, more months at a time, the price does go down. Silver and Gold were so nice to provide a code for us. So the code is just Kitty. I'll leave all this information and a link to their website down below, of course. But with this code, you get your first month free, and you also get a free gift. So I think that is super awesome. So your first month you pay nothing, and you get a free gift. So if you like what you see and want to subscribe, definitely take advantage of that. And this box ships to both the US and Canada. And I think that's enough information for now. So let's get this open and see what jewelry pieces I received. So when I open it up, it's all wrapped in some pretty blue tissue. And, oh, they have another promo code on here, like a little sticker up there I'll read. It says, as an added bonus, an extra special gift from all of us, save 20% on any item online. I'll leave this down below too, so if you want to just buy one select item, if you use the code MYGIFT, you'll save 20%, so that's cool too. So I'll leave multiple promo codes down below. So let's see what is underneath this tissue. Oh good, they provide a little information card and it has pricing on it too. I love that. It's kind of frustrating when you get a subscription box that gives you no information on the products, and I like to know the pricing of the products just so I can kind of assess the value and what I paid. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? So on here it says the jewelry box by Silver and Gold. Here is what is in your new box. And then it lists the items, and then the total retail price, this crazy. It says the total retail price is $199.48. What? It says for future boxes, we do need to know your ring size as well as your bracelet size. Please email us your sizes. Oh, good. So that you let them know, or you can let them know when you sign up so they can send you things that fit you correctly. So that is great to know. So there is a free gift in here. So I have 3 pieces and then the free gift. So let's go through it. I'll tell you more about the items and the pricing as we go through. And it looks like the items are in their own little jewelry bags, which I appreciate. So let's start with whatever's in here. And it looks like we have a necklace. Oh, and there's a heart on it. So I'm gonna get it out of the bag. I like how they send it like this because you guys know, if you wear jewelry and necklaces, they can get really tangled easily. So when companies send it like this, it really prevents that from happening. I like this. I love heart anything. So this is gold and it has a heart. Oh wow, I didn't even realize this. Okay, well first look at the front. Hopefully you guys can see because my lights might sometimes make it look a little different, but this is gold. And then on the sides, can you guys see that detail? And it is adjustable. So let's see what they say on here. Oh, the front of it, I was looking at the wrong side. The front of it has little gemstones all around it as well. So I guess you can actually wear it either way. So if you like it like this, or if you don't, you can wear it just on the plain gold side. This is so cool. So let's see. So this is the 18 karat gold over silver heart necklace. This has a retail value of $75. Wow. It does seem like it's good quality. I've gotten a lot of jewelry boxes before, and sometimes the pieces just seem kind of cheap. I'll just be blunt, but these don't seem cheap. Seems nice. So awesome. Oh my god, you guys, I finally got the necklace off I had on for a few days. If you guys watch all my videos, you know I was wearing that little moon necklace, and I just couldn't get it off myself. And I was with a friend last night, and they were so nice, and they took it off me. So I'm gonna have to have them help me put this on later if I see them. But I really like this. I love hearts. And it's 18 karat gold. And then there's something in this little box here. It's like velvety, it feels nice. Ooh, these are little earrings. These are peach freshwater pearl earrings, and they have a retail value of $21.99. I thought they looked like pearl, but yeah, they have like a peach cast to them, so they're pearl freshwater earrings. Cool. I do like to wear stud earrings. Usually when I film, I wear like more earrings that are more obvious, but I like these. I like the case they come in too. So I'm gonna keep it here. That was the second item, and let's see what's in our third bag, our third item. Oh, we have another pair of earrings. That makes sense that they wouldn't send a bracelet or a ring without knowing my sizing yet. Whoa, so these are silver and gold flower earrings, and it says there's a retail value of $98.99. Yeah, these are really cute, but I can't imagine paying almost $100 for them. I mean, it's definitely, I think all this is worth like the price of the box, but $99, they look, yeah, I'm trying to look at that. I'm not an expert at all. Hopefully you guys can see. These are really pretty. I like these more than the pearl ones. So they can see it from the side and the front. Yeah, it looks like it has some like unique type of, I don't know, what does it say again? Silver and gold. Yeah, the silver part of it looks cool. I like it. I've never seen earrings exactly like this. But yeah, I think these are my favorite out of all the three items. I really like the heart necklace, but I think I would get the most use out of these. I still think $99 is a ridiculous price point. Let's see. Oh, it's made, I can see that it is made out of sterling silver. So some, like in a past video, like months back, someone taught me that. It was one of the cheap boxes. I'm not gonna spill a tea right now or anything, but this is $9.25 certified sterling silver, so that makes a lot more sense about it being more expensive, and that's great because sometimes like some earrings, if they're not made out of good quality, like not made of sterling silver, they can irritate my ears a little bit. I know there's a lot of people out there also that are sensitive. So cool, I'm glad that I was just able to verify that this is made out of real silver, so that is awesome. So we're not done yet though. We have our free gift, but also in this box you get something to clean your jewelry with, so that is awesome. I'm actually really excited about the free gift because I was recently struggling with this. This is the world famous multi-sizer ring sizing guide. Pretty recently a jewelry company reached out to me and they wanted to send me some stuff, and they wanted to know my ring size, and they had like sent in their website like how to do it, and you needed like measuring tape. I didn't have any, so I like printed one out from the internet, and I just couldn't measure my rings like correctly, so let's see if I can do it now. So it says for instructions, the multi-sizer works like a belt. Simply push the end through the buckle to form a ring shape. Slip the multi-sizer onto your finger, adjust to get a comfortable fit, checking that it slips back over the knuckle. When the best fit is achieved, read off size indicated by the arrow. Oh my god, you guys, I've never, like, this might sound weird, but I never have known my actual ring size. I always just like guess. Like, I think I always said like a 7 or 8. I honestly have no idea, so let's see. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put it together. So you just put it together like this, put it on your ring, and then you pull it until it fits your finger. So I probably don't want to do it like too tight, right? I'm like exactly a 7 almost. It's like right at the 7 mark, but it's not like too tight. So I wonder if it would be better for me to go for like a 7.5. No, I think the 7's comfortable. Okay, you guys, I learned. I'm a size 7 in ring size. I never knew that, but I think that was my guess. This is the coolest thing ever. I mean, if you guys are like frequent jewelry shoppers, I don't know, is this common to have like when you go shopping for jewelry? This is so neat. And I'm like getting the most excited about the free gift, but now I know I am a ring size 7. So they say this free gift ring sizer has a retail value of $3.50. This is such a good idea. So it says on here too, like patent pending, so maybe these aren't common things, but awesome, yay. I should probably take this off. I'm just like leaving it on like it's my ring, but oh my god, okay. I'm stop railing about that, but finally 31 years old and I know what my ring size is. But let's go through the box. So for $29, or if it's your first month, this would be free. You get this heart necklace, which I do really like. Like, I will actually wear this. I like hearts, and it's not like too like flashy or anything like that. Like, I don't like super like, what do they call them? Like cocktail jewelry or something like that. Like, wouldn't that look cute right now if I had that on? I probably should have a necklace on. I have like too much skin here. I think that's super cute, and I like that. Honestly, if like, you know when you sometimes accidentally put on a necklace the wrong way and you have to like redo it? If you do it with this, it's like, well, it still looks cute even if it's just the gold size. And the gems on here are super cute. Like, yeah, I like this. And then we have that peach freshwater pearl earrings. Again, I usually don't wear studs because I film all the time, but like just like my day-to-day stuff, I would throw these on because I think they're really cute. And then we have the earrings, which I still can't get over the $100 price tag, but they are made out of sterling silver. Oh, let me look at the back of this earring and see if that says it. This also is marked with the $9.25. So both of the earrings are made with sterling silver. And is there a way to tell if something's 18 karat gold or not? Let's see if there's any markings anywhere. I don't think there's any markings on this. Oh! Yeah, so this is like gold-plated silver. This says that's $9.25 too. So these are all made out of sterling silver. So that's why it says 18 karat gold over silver. Now I get why it says 18 karat gold over silver. So these are all made from sterling silver. So that's awesome. I'm liking this. I think, like, I've gotten so many jewelry subscriptions, and I've said that already, but this one's like actually good quality, and I still can't get over that they provided this so you can get your next box even better and like get appropriate sized items. So yeah, so we got those 3 items, all made with sterling silver, and then we got the ring sizer, size 7, and we got a cloth to clean our jewelry. Overall, I think this is a really good box, especially like with the code. Like, I think even, I was browsing their website a little bit before filming. I think even like for everyone, I think you get your first box free, but with my code, you get your first box free and a free gift. So if you guys sign up and use my code, and when you get your box, will you please let me know what your free gift is? Because I think free gifts are always so exciting and I would love to know, so please share. But anyways, all the information will be down below. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Of course, let me know your thoughts on everything. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.